Hey everybody, Melissa here. So today I want to show you how to create a table of contents in Google Docs. Now the first thing that we have to have before we can create a table of contents is headers. If we don't have headers, then it's not going to look right. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I have a document here that has topics of video, audio, gaming, and software. Now each one of these is going to be a header down through my document. I've got video as a heading 1. I've got audio as a heading 1, and so on. Now underneath video, I have basics, production, and recording. Now I've got basics as a heading 2 or a subheading under video. And then I've got production as a heading 2 as a subheading. But then I've made recording a header 3, and that kind of puts it as a subheading under production. And that's going to determine how our table of contents looks. Now, if we want to change a heading, just highlight it, go to heading, and change it. So now that we have our document laid out with headers, let's insert our table of contents. So I want my table of contents between my title and my first topic. So I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to do insert, table of contents, and I'm going to tell it I want numbers. And it's inserted the table of contents. Now I've got a couple changes I want to make here. First off, I don't want my title here because it's right above it and that's kind of redundant. So I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to go down and pull this up to where it starts with my first topic. Now the second issue is it's small. I can't read it. So I'm going to go up and let's try to make it about 18. That looks pretty good. So now we have our table of contents. Now if you notice, our heading 1 is the furthest out to the left. Heading 2s are indented. Heading 3 is indented a little bit more. And it would be the same thing with 4, 5, 6, 10, however many you have. It's going to indent them so you can kind of see the structure of headings and subheadings. So let's just say somebody wanted to get to gaming systems. If they click on it, they click on systems, it's going to take them down to gaming systems. See where the cursor landed? So let's say we want to create a PDF. All of the internal hyperlinks are going to go with it. If we go to File, we go to Print, we tell it the destination to save as a PDF. We tell it to save it. And I'm just going to save it here and take this default name. Now if I go to that folder and I open it up, and I go down, and let's say I want to do the same thing. I want to go to Gaming Systems. Click on it, and it took me to Gaming Systems. And that is how you create a table of contents in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel before you go. And if you have any suggestions or ideas for future content, drop me a comment, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, thanks so much for watching.